Boosting public transit use tips and tricks. Public transit often gets a bad rap. But honestly, I'm baffled why more people aren't using it daily. The environmental benefits alone are massive. But if we
The
really
next
want to
train
boost
is arriving
ridership,
in
we
2
need to
minutes.
stop just
Please
complaining
stand
and
clear of the
start
doors.
offering concrete incentives. Think about it. What would actually get you out of your car? Free rides, for starters, are a huge draw. We've seen models like London's Oyster card work effectively, but we can do better. What about tiered discounts or a real loyalty program? Imagine, ride 10 times, get the 11th free, or unlock premium perks. That's real motivation. Beyond personal incentives, we should be actively integrating and incentivizing carpooling and bike usage, creating a seamless, interconnected network. Less personal cars on the road? That's a huge win for everyone. But here's the absolute biggest factor, one that transit authorities often miss: safety. If I don't feel safe waiting at a station late at night or riding a nearly empty bus, I'm absolutely calling an Uber. No question.
All units,
We
maintain your
need
positions.
well-lit
The perimeter
stations,
remains secure.
clean,
Stand by for
visible
further
staff
instructions.
or security presence, and modern, functional security cameras in every vehicle. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the entire experience feeling secure, reliable, and genuinely valuable compared to the comfort of a personal vehicle. Until they nail the safety and the incentives, transit will always be a secondary choice for too many people.